Hi, my name is Wilmer Estrada from Miter Brands, and today we're going to show you how to adjust your rollers on your sliding glass door. The first step you want to take, you want to get your stiff putty knife and remove your adjustment hole plug cover. And now with a number 3 Phillips screwdriver and a pry bar, we're going to adjust the rollers. Using the pry bar, you want to lift the weight off the panel, and to adjust the rollers, to the right will lift the panel, and to the left will lower the panel. After making your first adjustment, bring the panel over to the frame to check your reveal. In this particular case, we will have to continue the adjustment on the second roller. After adjusting the second roller, you want to check the reveal to make sure it's parallel to the frame and that there's no gaps. And now, since we're done with the adjustment, we're going to go ahead and add the covers.